The breaking input. Now, this one is coming in from the Congress camp, where the Congress sources have informed that if the government gives assurance of giving the post of Deputy Speaker to the opposition before 11 a.m., then the opposition is willing to withdraw the motion after seeking permission from the House. Now, the nomination cannot be withdrawn as motion has been moved, but the opposition could seek permission to withdraw the motion. So, these are the latest inputs that we are tracking at this point of time. Well, Sherin continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Sherin, help us understand what kind of assurance is the opposition seeking from the government regarding the Deputy Speaker's post overall?
Well, yesterday as well, there was a meeting that was held with Rajnath Singh, where there was KC Venugopal and TR Balu as well, where they had in fact asked that there should in fact be an assurance given when it comes to the Deputy Speaker post. Then, there will in fact be unanimous support to the Speaker position. Whoever is the Speaker candidate for the BJP, they will be in fact willing to give a go-ahead. But when it comes to the Deputy Speaker post, that should be followed. The convention should be followed. The tradition, according to the Congress Party, during the UPA 2, it was in fact the Deputy Speaker post was with the opposition, and 2019 this particular post was not filled. So keeping that in mind, this time with the numbers with which that they have opposition parties have come up with, they have been demanding the Deputy Speaker post to be given to the opposition. Now, when there was no clarity, no assurance, they decided to nominate K. Suresh. He filed his nomination. Now what the sources in fact have been suggesting is that the Congress Party, the India Alliance, is very much aware that they don't have the number. This is in fact a perspective fight. This is an ideology fight that they are putting up. But even the entire fight is all about the Deputy Speaker post. If the assurance comes from the government side that they will be giving this particular post to the opposition, then the Congress Party is in fact willing to withdraw the motion. Right now, the nomination cannot be withdrawn. Yesterday, K. Suresh has filed his nomination, which was proposed by Supriya Sule from the NCP, seconded by Kannimuri from the DMK. Later, now that the motion has passed, the nomination cannot be withdrawn, but the opposition can ask permission of the House from the pro tem Speaker that they want to withdraw the motion, and that procedure can happen, but only if an assurance comes from the government side that the Deputy Speaker post will be given to the Congress, will be given to the India Alliance overall, and they are willing to wait till 11 a.m. is what the sources have been suggesting.
Right, Sherin. Thank you so much for bringing in all those details. Now we're moving across to another breaking input. This one coming in from the TMC.